In this video, I will show a brief video review of the drop tablet test for measuring pool parameters from the company Kokido. We have a frame pool from the company Bestway with a capacity of 15 cubic meters. A sand filter from the company Bestway is used for water filtration. Everything works perfectly. I use a skimmer to clean the water efficiently and effectively. It constantly has a tablet in the drive, cleans the water. And now the water has started to become cloudy for some reason. It is necessary to determine its parameters in order to decide what to do next and what to add to it. It is clear that the water has become slightly whitish. It has taken on a milky color. It is necessary to figure out what the problem is. Milk test from the company Kokido, packaged in a nice cardboard box, which contains brief and additional information. Inside there is a plastic case that holds all the important components. Let's open the tester and see what's inside. Inside, there is an instruction manual in English, 2 test tubes in one block, drops for measuring water hardness, and tablets for measuring chlorine levels in the water. The test tubes have 2 scales. The red one is for measuring water hardness, while the yellow one is for measuring chlorine. Now it is necessary to collect water from the pool at a depth of 40 centimeters by opening the caps underwater and check the water characteristics. I am now opening the test tubes and I will open them underwater. Here the water is filled. We will drain a little excess up to the upper mark. And we will add the chemicals here. In the left red test tube, we add the red drops, gently shake them, and add 4 drops for this amount of water. That's enough. We close the test tube and shake the solution very thoroughly, very carefully, and very gently. Now we look at the bright and warm sun and compare this color with the colors that are already on the template. We see that the hardness is currently 7.6. This means everything is quite normal and there is no need to change the hardness. Now we open one tablet and add it to the second. Take the flask with the yellow cap very carefully without touching it with your hands to avoid altering the readings. We will thoroughly mix it very well and wait for it to completely dissolve. Here, the tablet for determining chlorine has dissolved, and we see that the current concentration of chlorine is 0.6 milligrams per liter. The norm is 0.3, 0.6, which means we do not need to raise the chlorine levels right now. We can add a little algaecide to reduce water blooming. Thus, based on the tester's readings, we can say that the water parameters are within the norm. There is no need to change the acidity and chlorine levels of the water. Just add an algaecide to stop the growth of algae. I have filled the pool with new water, and it has a slightly greenish color. And we will check the hardness and chlorine levels of the drinking water from the tap. I will also take water from a depth of 100 centimeters, just as instructed. Now let's add the reagents here. First, we will check the hardness by adding 4 drops. A little. Let's wait. Now let's check the hardness of the water. As you can see, the tap water has a hardness of 7.8. It's a bit hard. We will place 1 tablet. And we will wait for its dissolution. After dissolving the tablet, it can be seen that the chlorine level is 0.1, which means it is almost non-existent. Urgent shock treatment of the water in the pool is needed.